What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and as you can see, we get this article on the screen right now. We're going to be talking about it, but I want to jump back to that price action just really quick because we've got to compare the overall movement to Bitcoin here. And Bitcoin, as you guys can see, is still following this ascending trend line. Now, this ascending channel has been intact since the lows on about September 6th, September 7th. It has been hitting higher highs, higher lows, and following this channel or this pattern right here. And it could be breaking out once again today. Guys, yesterday Bitcoin hit an all-time high of 76,981. Yesterday, we got lower interest rates. Just a couple of days ago, we got a new administration here in the United States that is set to embrace cryptocurrency and make this industry boom. We have got nothing but positive catalyst after positive catalyst. If we add a technical breakout to the mix, we could see a FOMO rally. We could see Shiba Inu coin breaking out of resistance at the same time that Bitcoin is breaking out of resistance, at the same time that Dogecoin is breaking out of this weekly resistance around 22 cents. The crypto market is on the edge, and it is about to blow up, and I am very excited about that. So let's go in and take a look at why these analysts and these reporters believe Shiba Inu coin is a sleeping giant. It says Shiba Inu coin has jumped by over 78% year to date to reach 1910 points per coin on November 8th, underperforming most of its top meme coin rivals such as Dogecoin and Pepe, which have climbed by 115% and 668% in the same period. Is a 90% boom for SHIB next. It says the first major signal for Shiba Inu coin's price rally comes from the ongoing formation of a cup and handle pattern. A cup and handle is a bullish chart pattern named for its distinctive shape, which resembles a teacup, followed by a smaller downward drifting handle. This typically resolves in a breakout, with the upside target measured by adding the pattern's maximum height to the breakout point. As of November 8th, Shiba Inu coin was in the pattern's handle formation stage, as you can see here on the chart. Got a little bit of a handle at the moment. Awaiting breakout move above the common neckline resistance around 2,000 points per coin. And guys, they're not just making these numbers up, right? It is very funny to me. I don't really care about the shape of the pattern, the head and shoulders, and all of that. I look a little bit more at the numbers, and I love how we see these articles and the data from Into the Block that shows you just how large the resistance is at some of these levels. That 2,000 point per coin that's highlighted right there, it's not just because, well, the chart looks like a teacup. No, there's 11.5 trillion Shiba Inu coin being held at break-even points between where we are now at about 1,900 points per coin and 2,000 points per coin. A lot of these people have been holding for a while, and one of two things is going to happen, right? They're either going to sell as they go into the money because they're upset, they're fed up, they're tired of holding, they've been through this bear market, and they just want some green and want to exit. Or they're going to hold as they break out and as they become profitable, and they are ready to gear up and hit some profit. Now, with one of those two things taking place, the result is, once we break through, those Shiba Inu coin are going to be in the hands of people willing to hold. Because they either sold to somebody who thought SHIB was cheap and they should buy, or they themselves are willing to hold it through that. And when that happens, when this 2,000 point per coin level is broken, we could see a massive surge higher. It says a confirmed breakout could have SHIB rise towards its cup and handle target of 3,500 points per coin. Oh my gosh, dude. Are they making that number up again? No. You guys know that 3,500 points per coin is my major level of resistance. And we have been talking about this number. It's the yellow line on the screen there. We've been talking about this number for the last 3 years. It was the major resistance in May of 2021. It was the major resistance in October, November of 2021. And it was the major resistance back in March of 2024. If Shiba Inu coin reaches that 3,500 point per coin level, sure, it could get rejected. It is a very important number, and there's a lot of Shiba Inu coin going in and out of the money there. But that is a 90% increase from the current prices, and this could be happening all before early 2025. The target falls inside of March's 2024 resistance area, including the yearly high of 4,500 points per coin. Now, capital rotation from Dogecoin boosts Shiba Inu coin. Shiba Inu coin has underperformed Dogecoin primarily because of Elon Musk's relentless promotion of the Department of Government Efficiency, or Doge, his brainchild government agency to reduce excessive governmental spending, which, interestingly, had the same initials. Yeah, just a coincidence, right? It's just a coincidence that it's got the same initials as Doge. Look, guys, we could be on the verge of a major breakout. It's the technical analysis pointing towards it. It's the fundamentals right now with interest rates being lowered, a new administration. All of these things are going to culminate together to inspire buying and increase confidence. And when that happens, you better be prepared. Now, if you have not been doing a very good job of accumulating, let me just show you. We could be right here. November is already starting to uptick, and I've been beating this chart to death over the last couple of months. When every time we see September, October sit steady into a November uptick, look what happens afterwards. I'm not saying that that's guaranteed, right? Nobody knows what happens tomorrow. But guys, you're going to look like a stinking genius if you get in on this area right here. The bull market pops off the same way that it did in 2017, the same way that it did in 2021, the same thing we're waiting for here at the end of 2024 into 2025. The cycle continues. And if the cycle repeats itself, we're going to make so much money, it's crazy. Now, if you haven't been accumulating, make sure you check out that link for the KSEC centralized exchange in both the pinned comments and the description.